In today's video, I'm going to teach you Control plus Shift plus Z, Windows mark Command plus Shift plus Z plus Mac, redo the last action, step forward. Think of redo as your safety net after an undo. If you've undone something and then realize you actually wanted it back, redo steps you forward in your history and restores the last thing you undid. This is especially useful in writing, spreadsheets, design tools, coding editors, and many browsers, anywhere you might be tweaking text, formatting, or layout and want to move cleanly back and forth. Here's how to use it. On Windows, hold down the Control key and the Shift key together, then tap Z once. On a Mac, hold the Command key and the Shift key together, then tap Z once. The plus signs just mean press at the same time. Keep Control or Command and Shift held, press Z, then let go. If you just undid a change, this will bring that change back exactly as it was. You can usually press the shortcut repeatedly to step forward through multiple undone actions. Each press moves you one step ahead in your history, so if you undid 3 things, pressing redo 3 times should restore all 3 in order. If nothing happens, it likely means there's nothing left to redo. A quick tip about app differences: many Windows programs also support Ctrl plus Y for redo. If Ctrl plus Shift plus Z doesn't work where you are, try Ctrl plus Y, or check the edit menu at the top of the app. You'll often see redo listed there, sometimes with the action name next to it, like redo typing, along with the shortcut your app expects. On Mac, you'll almost always see Command plus Shift plus Z as the default. Be aware of one important rule. Once you undo something, redo is available only until you make a new change. As soon as you type new text, apply a format, or move an object, most apps clear the redo stack. That's normal behavior, but it's good to know so you don't expect redo to bring back a long chain after you've started making new edits. Here's a simple workflow example. You delete a paragraph, then hit undo, and the paragraph returns. Decide you actually did want it gone. Use redo with Ctrl plus Shift plus Z on Windows or Command plus Shift plus Z on Mac, and the deletion is reapplied instantly. That's all there is to it. Remember, undo to go back, redo to step forward. With a little practice, you'll move through your edits confidently and recover changes in seconds.